Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E oil step by step. Start by cleansing skin, then patch test a small area and wait 24 hours to check for irritation. Apply a few drops to palms, warm and press gently into face or scarred areas. Use nightly or as directed. Combine with moisturizer for dry skin and avoid eyes. If irritation occurs, discontinue and consult a professional. I explain dilution and frequency for safe vitamin E oil use. Mix 1 drop into 4 drops of carrier oil for sensitive skin, or adjust to toleration. Gently massage into scars, stretch marks, or dry patches using upward strokes for absorption. Use up to once nightly for facial use, or twice weekly for larger areas. Always monitor skin response and reduce frequency if any redness appears. Store oil in a cool, dark place to preserve potency. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker can brighten your routine with timers, reminders, and soothing sounds while oil absorbs. I find a timer helps with patch tests and nighttime routines, and voice controls keep hands clean. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Tools and tips can improve results with vitamin E oil. Use clean hands or a dropper to avoid contamination and apply after shower when pores are open. Avoid combining with strong actives like retinol without professional advice, and do not use on open wounds. Track progress with photos every 2 weeks to evaluate improvement, and consider lower concentrations for acne-prone skin to prevent clogged pores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.